I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the car and gaining safe access to the control arm. First, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the opposite wheels. These keep the car from rolling. Loosen the wheel lug nuts while the tire is on the ground, then jack the vehicle at the designated lift point and place rated jack stands under the pinch welds. Once the car is stable, remove the wheel so you can see and reach the control arm and mounting hardware clearly. Now you remove components holding the arm in place and why it matters. Spray penetrating oil on fasteners and let it soak. That prevents rounded heads and saves time. Detach the stabilizer link and loosen the ball joint nut, but don't force the stud out. Use a ball joint separator or press to protect threads. Support the hub to avoid straining brakes, then remove the arm-to-frame bolts and extract the arm. Once out, compare the new part and transfer bushings or brackets so fitment and geometry remain correct. You finish by installing the new arm and verifying alignment and safety. Position the new control arm, insert frame bolts loosely, then align the ball joint and hand thread its nut. This prevents cross-threading. Tighten bolts gradually in the specified sequence and torque them to manufacturer values so bushings preload correctly. Reconnect the stabilizer link, reinstall the wheel, and lower the car. Once done, test drive at low speed to feel for noises. If you notice pull or vibration, recheck torque and get a professional alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.